Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube in private mode using the YouTube app. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your account. Now tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen and select Upload a Video. Choose the video you want to upload from your gallery. Once you select the video, tap Next at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can add your title, description, and select a thumbnail if you want. Below that, tap where it says Public. This is the visibility setting. From the list of options, choose Private. This means only you, or the people you specifically share it with, will be able to watch the video. You can also set the audience to Yes, it's made for kids, or No, it's not made for kids, depending on your content. Once you are ready, tap Upload in the top right corner, and that's it. Now you know how to upload a private video to YouTube from the mobile app.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.